I'm here in the Isle of Sheppey, just launched. It's about 12 noon. High water, it's 2:45. Never fished here before. It's a very shallow mark, although it's part of the Thames estuary, so the current is ripping here. I won't go far out. According to the plotter, there are a few backs which vary from differences a few meters only. I'll anchor there, and I have with me some frozen bait fish and some frozen blacks and some salted logs that I salted, so maybe I'll try them as well. Already my other battery GoPro died. I don't know how, probably it got turned on somehow. I have battery spare, so I'll change it later on. So yeah, I guess the sun is behind you. I'm holding the camera. So tight lines, hope to show you some fish. Hopefully I'm not going to be a long day today, probably 5 hours, and then I'm going to shoot out and go back, leave the kayak on the roof, and tomorrow the plan is to go to Shoreham for Plaice fishing on the drift. So we'll see. Using only 1 kilogram. Then I need to remember to put sunscreen, because if not, I know what will be the result. No question about that. That's the way it goes. So I've anchored up. I'm baiting. I have those blacks that when I got them about 2 weeks ago, they were gutted and they were basically alive. When you throw them and they stiff up. Now I've been freeze them, and let's see if they're gonna produce anything. Just using small hook. This is 1 hot. My eyes are not that great anymore, so that's why I brought the needle, the bait needle, because I don't know if I can deal with those small. They are not small. They're very thin, so it's very difficult to thread them. But just one like this. Lovely bubbly. Second rod will be a panel hook, I mean, bigger size, not for the worm but for the bluey. I'm going to try with bluey for a ray. So this is a panel, 3 hot I think, and 2 lovely bluey. I'm gonna cut it here in the middle. Oh, I have bites, yeah, bites. These look like whitings. Already. Need to work with some elastic here. I think it's whiting in the line. It looks like a bream bite, fast small bite. It's a lovely, gorgeous day. I never had even an attempt to go twice, day after day, but since I saw the weather, and I already had it free for both of the day because we are in some sort of a holiday right now, which is called Passover. I decided to go both days. So this one, simple ledger, 5 ounce, I think it's 5 ounce watch lead. Learn from mistake. I'll always leash my stuff. Alright. Change battery on the 7. See these bites? What do you think it is? Comment below. Comment below. I'll send you the fillet. So at least I know the blacks works a little bit. I think they just nicked it. Yeah, they just nicked it. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Okay, I'll make, first of all, let me make. Make a squid and squid and bluey. Lovely squid. There is a biter like that. That looks very nice for a ray or even for a bass. Bass will take bluey. Those are premium blueys, premium one. Nice one, juicy one. See how juicy they are? I just said juicy and I got hit. whiting. My God. Small whiting are biting. And if nothing really moving here in the next half an hour, I'll up anchor and
information broadcast for the Bradwell area and the vessels east.
dogfish!
This is Dover Coast Guard. Your Bellevue, Dover Coast Guard, over. Just only notified your weather check.
Constant bites, but it's not what I wish. Bite on this rod, on the squid and bluey. You can see it. I think there is a fish on it, but again, either dogfish or whiting. It's a bit of a bigger hook, so if it's whiting, it might just be a fish that's nibbling it, but not really a hook. It's crabs that eating it, fish, little fish that eating it. That's it. A lot of them. However, I'm going to put the drone up now because I think now slack water, there's nothing really that happening, so it always scares me a bit. I hope no damage and I'm getting the drone back. It's always frightening. That's the truth.
You are good, readable channel 167.
It's difficult to see, that's the problem with all the sun here and everything. Now is the scary part because I have to land it. That's scary. But it's in my hand. Fish on! That's a better fish. That's a better fish. That I think a ray. I think it's a ray. Yeah, for sure it's a ray. It's on only squid. it doesn't feel like it's fighting. I feel like I'm lifting something from the bottom. Yeah, it's a ray. It's a trolley. Yeah. Small tomba cray. It's a female one. Not big. I reckon 3 pounds. Yeah. Okay, nice fish. I think it's my first ray for 2021. Off he goes. Bites on both of the roads. That's not a ray. That might be a bass, or it's a dogfish. No, it's a bass. Yeah. It is a bass. It was a bass. Yeah, it's a small bass. It's a bass. Small schoolie. Gary, this is in inches. Okay. This is 13.5 inch. 13.5 inch. This is not the keeper. Keeper, it's a 16 and quarter, I think. Okay. The ebb started and bite constantly. I had already a ray, a bass. I think this is another ray. Bigger ray, I think, than the other one. Wow, the current here is crazy. then the line broke. Okay. When the tide here turns, I never saw something. It's ripping. So as you can see, the tide changed and it's on the ebb now. Just an hour after the low water, it was very slow, and when it turned and it started to run again, you can see how strong it is. And yeah, since then, in last 45 minutes, a schoolie bus of 13.5 inch, and I think 3 rays, 2 or 3 rays, I don't remember already. Yeah, I think 3 rays. And I just hope it's the right direction for me to pedal back, but it's really strong, so I'm sure it's going to help me. But it doesn't go into the shore, it goes a bit out. I will have to paddle. I still holding bottom, and I'm in 22 feet of water. I'm fishing now both of the rods. I fish baits because they prove to catch the bass and the ray. Yeah, I'll give it another hour and I want to get out. Yeah, so I have bite on this rod, but the current is massive and there is a lot of weed passing. I had the bass that I caught before. It was under my chair, I couldn't take it out. Eventually I managed to take it out because it was very slippery, and I let it go. It was kind of getting it and trying to revive itself because I couldn't hold it. It's from the current, it slipped off my hand, and he went and I saw him, and then the seagulls came down and they picked him, so I could take it for the neighbor. Yeah, I'm actually on. Oh, it's a good one. It was sitting there, I saw it, but what is it? Takes line. It doesn't feel like a ray. Feel like a smooth one. A bit.
It is for a maritime safety information.
Yeah, it has head shakes. It has head shakes. Yeah, it feels like a smoothie, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's a bass. It wasn't a bass bite. I saw the nibble, so it looked like a ray that was sitting on the bed. Good. that's 21. No, what do I say? 22 and a half. 22 and a half. No. Let's do this from here. Yeah, sorry. 20. Just over 22. It's 22 and a half. It's 22. Yeah. That's what it is. Big one. Nice single way. Give me a head shake at the beginning. I told you it's smooth on, but smooth on will take the line and run. Because I saw the nibbling, I saw that I saw the tip of the rod. It's like there is something, but it wasn't until I lift it up. Another whiting. The whiting are fighting. Okay, so I have to get in, and yeah, tomorrow I'm going to go to Shoreham with some guys for Plaice, and I have a long drive back. I'm going to leave everything on the car, on the kayak, just maybe clean few things and prepare a few things, but yeah, so if there's gonna be another fish, something nice, I'm gonna show you. If not, thank you so much for keeping up with me and watching the videos. If you've been till that point, that means a lot to me, and if you can like, share, subscribe if you didn't yet, hit notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video, and tight lines. Till the next time, cast on it. Another rail. I told you I'm going to show you another fish, so I think it's the 5th or the 6th raise. I'm not sure anymore, but this one is a smaller one. It's a nice fish. Male, smaller one. Blackst. You have to call it a day, man.